Wish you could walk around with a real life photo filter on your face. I know I do. Today on Glossable, I am going to teach you about a product that is going to do just that. Let's find out what it is. For the best no BS beauty advice, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell to be notified when I post a new video every Tuesday. Okay, as a pro makeup artist for the last 30 years and a woman over 50, I can tell you that all of my clients had one thing in common. They all wanted beautiful, radiant, healthy skin. And the one thing I will tell you as an esthetician, the most important product in your beauty routine outside of sunscreen is moisturizer. Moisturizer just helps keep the skin supple and hydrated, but moisturizer before makeup is a very critical step, especially for those of us over 40. But what if I told you there was another moisturizer out there that was a little bit different? It kept your skin plump and hydrated, it filled in fine lines and wrinkles, and it just left your skin feeling super good. But as a bonus, it gave you a real-life photo filter? Ooh, yes, sign me up. Introducing Water Balm, the best seller of our skin prep line. Now, Water Balm is that 5-in-1 product that you cannot live without. I mean, Water Balm would be the one thing, if I was stranded on a desert island, if I could have nothing else, it would be Water Balm. And maybe mascara. So why will you love Water Balm? So I don't know about you, but for me, sometimes when I wear traditional moisturizers, I put them on and then an hour or two later, I feel like I have nothing else on my face. The great thing about Water Balm is that it's going to help your skin stay comfortable for hours. I kind of call this loungewear for the face. And for those of you that have dry skin, dehydrated skin, even oily skin, Water Balm really helps your skin stay hydrated for hours. Now, the other thing that I love about Water Balm is that you're gonna get an all-day wear, especially if you pair it with water elixir and water oil. I call this the Ageless Beauty Trifecta. This is the one thing that I would always put on my clients who were over 40. It's the perfect combination to get healthy, glowing skin with or without makeup. So here's my best friend Andy, and Andy is showing us how Water Balm reads on the skin. So as you see, it blurs, it softens, it makes the skin supple, soft, and smooth. And this is the kind of skin that you want to put makeup on. Here's how to use Water Balm. So I like to use Water Balm after water oil and before sunscreen, before I do my makeup. I like to apply my skin prep with a brush. So I'm applying my water elixir to my face, and then I'm taking it down the neck and chest. I do the same thing for water oil, also paying close attention to my neck and chest. Then I apply Water Balm all over my face and also apply to my neck and chest. Now, for those of us over 40, apply where we get fine lines around the lips. I also like to use it around the crow's feet and even like to apply it above the eyelids. That way that my shadow looks nice and smooth. Now, I also love to use Water Balm right under the eyes on top of a little eye cream. And what this is gonna do is it's gonna plump up the area where those of us over 40 can and tend to get crepey skin. Look how everything looks soft, smooth, supple, and hydrated. Now, this is gonna give you the perfect canvas to do makeup on. Or you could skip foundation altogether and do a little cream blush mixed with Water Balm and keep it moving. And if you would like to see the video of where I show you how to make a gel stain blush using Water Balm, check out the video above. Now it's time to apply your makeup. So when it comes to eyeshadow, I do like to apply a little bit of Water Balm right on top of the eyes before I apply eyeshadow primer or eyeshadow. Then, when I'm done with my eyeshadow, I like to apply a little bit of Water Balm right on top of the eyeshadow to smooth everything out. If you have not tried this yet, you do not know what you're missing. This is one of my favorite tricks. Water Balm hacks. Here we go. Men love Water Balm because they love to use this after they shave. Here's a fun fact. Want to refresh your makeup? Apply Water Balm on top of your makeup for an instant refresh. Did you have a little too much to drink last night? Okay, When your skin feels dehydrated and you feel like your skin has seen better days, apply Water Balm on top of hungover skin and keep it moving. Now, if you're a wedding makeup artist, Water Balm is a must-have for your weddings. It's great for mothers of the brides, mothers of the groom, even the grooms. Mix a little concealer in with Water Balm and you are going to love the results. Men's grooming just made it to your menu. Apply Water Balm on the skin after a sunburn. For those of you that forgot your sunscreen, keep in mind, Water Balm should be your last step at bedtime. This is going to make sure that all of the products that you're wearing underneath it get locked in while you sleep. For best results, apply Water Balm right after you get out of the shower. So here's another great way to use Water Balm, especially on days where you feel like your skin just needs a little extra help. Apply water elixir to your skin with a brush. Use a generous amount. Then, using Water Balm and a brush, apply a generous amount of Water Balm to the skin, almost like you're putting on a facial mask. Apply to the neck and the chest, and then let that sit on the skin for about 20 minutes. Check your email, pet your cats, do whatever, and then after the 20 minutes is up, rub into the skin. And then it's time for makeup. Water Balm is perfect for those of you that live in hot, dry climates or even cold, dry climates. Anywhere it's dry, Water Balm is your best friend. You know, I gotta say, I'm really happy and proud of this product. Water Balm just makes your skin feel so touchable, it feels so good, and you can wear it for hours and your skin feels comfortable and smooth. Thank you, Water Balm. Now that you know the pro makeup artist's secret to getting beautiful makeup that has a real-life photo filter for your face, what do you think? Leave me a comment below. If you would like to get your own jar of Water Balm, visit SoniaRoselli.com or click on the link below. If you would like to learn how to prep your skin like a pro, watch our free 40-minute masterclass on how to prep your skin for any occasion. You'll be a pro in no time. And if you would like to join our community of other pros and non-pros alike, join us on the Glossable Network, where we cuss and discuss all things beauty. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. I have enjoyed spending some time with you. I will see you next week on Glossable. Goodbye.